In this video, we want to give you an overview about the oldest still existing company in the world. With a history of more than 1,400 years. Kongo Gumi. Welcome to a new history video of companies. Let us start with the creation of Kongo Gumi. The beginnings in 578. The story of Kongo Gumi begins in 578 AD in Japan. At that time, Prince Shotoku, a leading politician and advocate of Buddhism in Japan, decided to build the Buddhist temple Shitenno-ji in Osaka. To realize this ambitious project, Prince Shotoku invited experienced craftsmen from abroad, including the Korean master builder Shigemitsu Kongo. Kongo was a specialist in the construction of Buddhist temples and pagodas. With his knowledge and craftsmanship, he laid the foundation for the Kongo Gumi company. This company would flourish for centuries and become a symbol of permanence and tradition.
The heyday in the Middle Ages. During the Heian period, 794–1185, and the Kamakura period, 1185 to 1333, Kongo Gumi flourished. During this era, many important Buddhist temples and shrines were built in Japan. And Kongo Gumi was often involved in their construction. The company developed unique techniques and styles that shaped Japanese temple construction and are still recognizable today. The challenges of modernity. The Meiji Restoration, 1868, brought profound changes to Japan, including the separation of state and religion. This led to a reduction in financial support for Buddhist temples, which also presented challenges for Kongo Gumi. Nevertheless, the company managed to adapt and remain successful by remembering its artisan roots and focusing on the quality of its work.
In the 20th century, Kongo Gumi faced several economic crises. World War II and the subsequent post-war period brought economic uncertainty. Nevertheless, the company survived these difficult times thanks to its adaptability and the loyalty of its customers.
Dealing with crises. One of the biggest challenges occurred in 2006, when Kongo Gumi was struggling with significant debt. As a result, the company was dissolved as an independent entity and integrated as a subsidiary into the construction company, Takamatsu Construction Group. Despite this takeover, Kongo Gumi remained true to his heritage and continued his work in temple construction.
The legacy and influence of Kongo Gumi. The craftsmanship. Kongo Gumi is known for its exceptional craftsmanship. The techniques that have been passed down through generations are an essential part of the company's success. The use of high-quality materials and precision in execution have cemented Kongo Gumi's reputation as a master of temple construction.
The family business. A remarkable aspect of Kongo Gumi is its centuries-long family-run business. Since its founding by Shigemitsu Kongo, the company has been managed by a total of 40 generations of the Kongo family. This continuity has helped to preserve and pass on the company's traditions and values.
The legacy and influence of Kongo Gumi. The significance for Japanese culture. Kongo Gumi not only contributed to the development of Japanese temple construction, but also to the preservation and promotion of Japanese culture. The temples built by Kongo Gumi are not only religious sites but also cultural treasures that reflect Japan's history and identity.
Conclusion. The story of Kongo Gumi is an impressive example of resilience, adaptability, and craftsmanship.
Your breath just next to my soul. I wanna feel your breath without any rest.
Despite numerous challenges, the company has survived for more than 1,400 years and remains a symbol of the combination of tradition and innovation. As the oldest operating company in the world, Kongo Gumi is a living heritage that embodies the meaning of quality, craftsmanship, and cultural identity. This story shows how deeply rooted a company's values and traditions can be, and how they help ensure its continued existence over centuries. Kongo Gumi is more than just a company, it is an important part of Japanese history and culture.
Many companies in the world have a very interesting history. Which company and its history are you interested in? Write it to us in the comments. We are happy and thank you if you liked our video. Your subscription to our channel and your like will motivate us to continue to create at least equally great topics. Have a very nice day. See you next time.